If you do find that you stumble, trip, or freeze in regards to your words, I want you to involve the audience. If you stutter, if you stumble, if you trip, if you freeze, let's use the freeze example for a second. If you freeze and you go blank, I want you to ask the audience, where was I again? Oh my goodness, my mind has gone blank. And I want you to use that opportunity as interaction with the audience so that they can tell you where you left off. You might want to use your presentation materials, if you're using any, to help you remember. But this is a real opportunity for you to involve the audience and just take a moment and say, yes, I remember now. Because that pause will help you to think. If you're freezing, stumbling, tripping over your words, what is more often than not happening is that the brain is going way too fast for the mouth. And there's so many ideas, so many things that are happening, and the mouth can't keep up with the brain's pace. If you do find that that is the case, then having written notes will really support you. Having a PowerPoint or some sort of presentation software will really support you. If you're anything like me, I love being ad hoc. I love doing videos in one take. I love going live just with a title and one sentence, and then it turns into 30 minutes of presentation, because that's how I thrive. And I find that when I have notes, it actually slows me down. So you have to find the thing that is really supportive for you. And so if you are finding that you are stumbling, freezing, tripping over words, it's more than likely that your brain is just going a bit too fast for your mouth, and you may need some support in terms of some written material or some visual aids that will really support you in being able to really slow down.